Last class, Mamta ma'am told you about numbers 1 to 10. So today we will be seeing counting of numbers and reading their values, and also we will be doing drawing values for number 1 to 10. But before that, we will do a quick recap of number counting 1 to 10. I will be saying number 1. You have to say the next number. Okay, that means my turn and your turn. So let's start. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
Oh wow, my class is very smart. They know the counting 1 to 10. Very good. So, you know the counting 1 to 10. Now, I am going to tell you a story. Story of a girl. Story of a girl whose name was Minnie. What was the name of the girl?
Minnie.
And Minnie went to her uncle's place at Kerala. Where did Minnie went?
Kerala.
Kerala. With her family, she went to her uncle's place at Kerala. And when she reached Kerala, she was so happy to see so many trees around uncle's house. There were many fruit trees, banana, mango, chiku. And then she saw there was a tree. Yes. And that was a coconut tree. And when she counted, there was just one coconut tree. There was just
One coconut tree.
how many coconut trees were there?
One.
One. She counted that uncle has only one coconut tree at home. And then she was like, oh, only one coconut tree. I will be not having much coconuts to eat. So the next day they went to uncle's farm. So the next day they went to the uncle's farm. With her cousin, she went to the uncle's farm, and there she saw that uncle had a very big farm, and also uncle had farm animals. And while walking with her cousins, she saw that there were cats, and she counted how many cats were there. How many cats? Count with me. 1, 2. How many cats were there?
2.
2 cats. Minnie and her cousin saw 2 cats who were playing around with the leaf there. And then they moved ahead. And while moving ahead, Minnie got scared. Do you know? Minnie got scared. Minnie got scared as she saw big
Elephants.
elephants. Yes, Minnie saw big elephants. Minnie asked uncle, why these elephants are here? Uncle and her cousin said, these elephants come to this pond to just have a bath. And let's count how many elephants were there. 1, 2, 3. How many elephants were there?
3.
3 elephants. Yes. So Minnie got calmed down and they went ahead. Uncle said, now we will be going to my farm animals. You will see I have horses. Minnie was so excited to see that uncle had horses at his farm. So Minnie went with his uncle and saw how many uncle must be having the horses. Then she counted. Uncle has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horses. Uncle had how many horses? 4. While looking at these horses, they were like moving and having their food. She was surprised to see that there were also hens who were running around and saying kukuruku, kukuruku. And then she had to count that how many hens uncle had. So she counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uncle, you have 5 hens in your farm. Oh wow, I am so happy. Oh, hope I will get to eat that egg curry from these hens. Yes. And then uncle said, Minnie, are you not hungry? So Minnie said, yes uncle, I am hungry. So uncle said, I have something to eat. Let's go and have it. So uncle gave Minnie strawberries to eat. Uncle gave Minnie what to eat?
Strawberries.
Strawberries, yes. And the strawberries. Minnie was eating, and then uncle said, enough, enough. How many are you are going to eat? So Minnie counted that how many strawberries she ate. So Minnie ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many strawberries she ate?
6.
6 strawberries. And Minnie's tummy was full as she ate 6 strawberries. And then uncle said, now we are so tired, we should go back home. So on their way back home, there they saw a balloon man, and then balloon man was behind Minnie and her cousin. Please beta, take this balloon, take this balloon. So Minnie told uncle, what we will do with this many balloons? So Minnie started counting balloons for her and her cousins. So let's see how many balloons did Minnie get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minnie got 7 balloons for herself and her cousin. So uncle said, now you have got the balloons, let me get you something. Uncle said, we will get the mangoes. And Minnie was like, no, no uncle, I will get toffees for the family. And then Minnie went to the toffee shop. And when she was going with her balloons to the toffee shop, she saw butterflies fluttering on the balloons because there were so many colorful balloons. So Minnie saw that butterflies were fluttering on the balloon, and she counted how many butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 butterflies on the balloon. And then Minnie said, I should run fast to the shop, otherwise these butterflies will keep following with me with this balloon. And she went to the toffee shop and got some toffees for her and cousin, herself and cousin. Minnie got toffees. Let's count how many toffees Minnie got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 toffees. Minnie got 9 toffees for her cousin. And then uncle said, come on, hurry up, we have to go home. We have to get the mangoes also. And then uncle got some mangoes. And when they reached home, Minnie and her cousins were, I want to count the mangoes, I want to count the mangoes, because they wanted their share. So they all counted the mangoes together. Let's see how many mangoes uncle got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mangoes uncle got. Yes. Now we saw through this story that Minnie, when went to Kerala, she had a number of objects and she counted the number of objects. So now can you tell me how many balloons she had? How many balloons she had?
7.
Yes, very good. You are a very smart child. There were 7 balloons. Yes, let's see. Were there 7 balloons? We will see. Wait. See, your answer is correct. There were 7 balloons. Now I am very confident that you know the counting. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. I am so happy to see that you know the counting. So let's count on our fingers again 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes. Now I will be helping you to write the numbers with the help of number song, and number song is your favorite. So let's write the number and also sing with me. Start singing. Number 1 is straight and tall, standing up and don't let fall. Number 2 has a curly top. Number 2 has a curly top. Take a turn and stop. Make 2 curves for number 3. Make 2 curves for number 3. 1 for you and 1 for me. Number 4 is just like 1. Make a cross like I have done. A straight neck and a curl for a 1 and a big 0. Yes, so we wrote numbers 1 to 10. Let's recite this number song again with the help of hands. Number 1 is straight and tall, standing up and don't let fall. Number 2 has a curly top. Take a turn and stop. Make 2 curves for number 3. One for you and one for me. Number 4 is just like 1. Make a cross like I have done. A straight neck and a curl for a 5. Cap on his head makes him alive. 6 has a sloping back with a curl around. Tuck it straight, safe and sound. 7 has a head and a long straight back. 8 has a 2O join like this. Brother and sister sit like this. 9 has a O and a long straight back. 10 has a 1 and a big 0. So now we will be drawing values for this number, which you have also done in your pre-prep class. So for number 1, we will be drawing one sun. How many sun?
One sun.
Yes. For 2, we will be drawing 2 trees. How many trees we will be drawing?
2 trees.
How many trees are there?
2.
2. Count with me. 1 and 2. We will draw 3
Ice creams.
3 ice cream. Draw triangle upside down and a spoon.
Cone ice cream.
2 ice creams. And now how many ice creams?
3.
3 ice creams. Which number is this?
4.
4. So what do you want to draw on number 4? Balloons?
Okay.
Yes. 1 balloon, 2 balloons, 3 balloons and 4 balloons. And for number 5, we will be drawing circles, your favorite. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles and 5 circles. Now this is number
6.
Which number is this?
6.
So we will be drawing 6 triangles. 1, count with me. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And which number is this?
7.
Yes, we will be drawing 7 lollipops. You like lollipops?
Yeah, my
But
favorite.
But you should not eat too much lollipop.
Okay, I will give it to my cousin.
Yes, very good. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many lollipops?
7 lollipops.
7 lollipops. Now on 8, what we will draw?
Ball.
Balls. Very good. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will be drawing 9 squares.
Okay.
Count.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many squares?
9.
On 10. What we will draw? Let's see. What do you want to draw? Can we draw carrots?
Stars.
Stars. Okay, I will teach you a simple method to draw the stars. Make a standing line, sleeping line and a cross. This is your star.
Okay.
1 star,
2
2
stars,
stars,
3
3
stars,
stars,
4 stars,
5 stars,
6
6 stars, 7 stars,
8 stars, 9 stars,
and
10 stars.
Very good. You are so smart that you know counting 1 to 10. You know drawing values. Very good. Now randomly we will just do counting. Which number is this?
7.
7. And how many lollipops we have drawn?
7.
Just count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So students, I will be sharing you a worksheet. So any rough notebook you have to take or any old notebook you have to take, in that you have to write down whatever worksheet has been shared with you. In that there is number writing 1 to 10, there is drawing of values and reading values for the numbers and missing numbers. So you have to do this in your rough notebook. So, are you ready for this work?
Yes.
So, thank you children.
Thank you, madam.